Hello everyone, and welcome back to She Conquer channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many of us, especially women, breaking free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle and building true wealth. But fear not, because in this video, we're not just addressing the issue. We're offering realistic solutions and an empowering mindset to help you take charge of your financial future. Now, it's a common misconception that women tend to spend more and are more likely to live paycheck to paycheck. But let me tell you, it's time to shift that narrative. It's not about spending habits, it's about empowerment and taking control of our financial destinies. Ladies, we are strong, capable, and resourceful. We can turn the tables on our financial situations and build true wealth. It's time for a can-do attitude, filled with motivation and empowerment. Let's acknowledge the challenges many women face: wage gaps, societal expectations, and sometimes simply not having the knowledge or tools to navigate the financial landscape. But remember, acknowledging challenges is the first step toward overcoming them. The first solution is a mindset shift. Instead of focusing on limitations, let's focus on possibilities. Repeat after me. I am in control of my financial destiny, and I have the power to build true wealth. Next up, education. Knowledge is power, and when it comes to finances, the more you know, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions. Invest time in understanding budgeting, saving, investing. It's your roadmap to financial freedom. One key aspect is budgeting. Create a realistic budget that allows you to save and invest. Cut out unnecessary expenses and prioritize building an emergency fund. A well-structured budget is your ticket to financial stability. Now let's talk about increasing income. Don't be afraid to negotiate for what you're worth. Pursue additional skills or education that can boost your earning potential. Remember, you are an asset, and it's time to capitalize on your value. Wealth is not just about saving, it's about investing. Start small if you must, but start. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or your own business, investing accelerates your journey to financial independence. Ladies, it's time to take control of our financial narrative. Break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle, educate yourself, budget wisely, increase your income, and invest in your future. Remember, you are more powerful than you know. Thank you for joining us today on She Conquer channel. If you found this video empowering, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more empowering content, and share this video. Take care until next time.